Are you hoping to buy a home one day, a new car, get approved to rent a house for your family? Has a divorce or other unexpected situations dinged your credit? If you are having negative credit issues and not sure what to do next, welcome to Credit Literacy 101. Credit Literacy 101 provides specific education on improving your credit, understanding credit, and how credit scores are determined, using credit responsibly, fixing or repairing bad credit, removing collections, ultimately helping you to improve your credit for ownership while providing advanced knowledge of financial literacy. Don't let bad credit experiences become generational. Stop the cycle due to lack of information. Learn everything you need to know about credit today with Credit Literacy 101. For more information, a free consultation, or credit analysis, please dial 1-267-974-5911 or visit us on the web at www.creditliteracy101.com.